Benefits of almond milk. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the amazing benefits of almond milk. Whether you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or just looking for a healthy milk alternative, almond milk is a fantastic choice. Let's dive in. Almond milk is made from blending almonds with water and then straining the mixture. It's delicious, nutritious, and perfect for adding to your favorite recipes. Here are some top benefits of almond milk. 1. Low in calories. Unsweetened almond milk contains fewer calories than cow's milk, making it a great option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. 2. Dairy-free and lactose-free. Almond milk is perfect for people who are lactose intolerant or have a dairy allergy. It's a plant-based milk that anyone can enjoy without digestive discomfort. 3. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Almond milk is often fortified with essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin E, helping you meet your daily nutritional needs. 4. Heart healthy. Almond milk contains no cholesterol and very little saturated fat, making it a heart-friendly choice. It's also rich in healthy fats that can help improve your cholesterol levels. 5. Supports skin health. The vitamin E in almond milk acts as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage and keeping it looking healthy and radiant. So, there you have it. It's a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet, whether you're drinking it on its own, adding it to smoothies, or using it in recipes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.